Hello! Today we are going to be taking a look at this medium first aid kit. You most likely noticed that I extremely enjoy that company and I purchased multiple units. I've got the wall mount, and on previous video you most likely also seen those large first aid kit. I absolutely enjoy them and highly recommend you to check out the full video, but as you can see, it is a really beefy size. Large first aid kits are great, for example, to keep in your vehicle, but I was tasked to figure out something for field use, and I noticed that the medium size fits perfectly in the rip away pouch was designed for the Philips AED, but by a lucky coincidence, it perfectly fit our medium first aid kit with the included hard case, so you've got a very good protection. So you've got your first layer of defense, and if the water is going to be like dripping or soaking, you've got the second one. Please do keep in mind that this is not the individual first aid kit for like tactical situation. This is for civilian operations. So I do not need to carry stuff for like treating a gunshot wounds. So don't think about it like on the military stuff. But as you can see, it is perfect fit and I absolutely love it. Because of that hard shell case and size, I deeply believe this is one of the best that you can take into field. And if you would be interested, here you've got the product model number. When we take a look at the rear, we've got a visual representation of what we've got. Here we've got the date. Yes, it is valid. And here you can see where our first aid kit lie in like a reference. So you've got the small, we've got the medium, we've got the large. So if you would like to see the large, then check my other videos. Here you've got a list of the contents. Why I extremely enjoy that company, the answer is pretty simple. That's because they are including a very quality products, and if you go with like a hiking first aid kit, in many cases they are being like composed with extremely cheap items. Here you've got a quality one, so in my personal opinion, it is a very well spent money. Let me show the large for compare. Here you can see the small and large next to each other. So as you can see, it is like a 50% difference in size, and I welcome you to check my full video about it. For outdoor use, we've got this extremely nice case that is protecting content from the environment, which I think is very important because you would like to have your first aid kit in like a rip away pouch. And as you can see, it is nicely unfolding. So even if someone see it and use it for a first time, will have no problem finding what he need because it is really convenient. Let's check our menu first. And as you can see, we've got a list of each individual item and the reference number just in case you would need to reorder it. And you've got the application for the first aid. You can download it. And here you can see like on the pictogram how to perform the BLS. So yeah, this is how it's presenting. In general, very self-explaining. Let's see what else we've got. We've got our CPR mask, and yes, it is a good one with the check valve. Here you've got two pair of gloves. As you can see, we've got 4 pieces. Then we've got the safety hand wipes, and those are with alcohol. You are not going to be using them for like cleaning your wounds. You are going to use them to disinfect yourself. We've got an emergency blanket, very nice. I can feel that it is like a heavy duty. Here we've got a very nice large dressing. They call it 4-in-1, and I use it, and it is really great. As you can see, it can be used for applying pressure. It is not like a cat, but it is very good, and it is presenting like this. Here you've got a similar one for a tiny one, so for like a finger, it is very nice. You can insert it. When I will have expire one, we are going to be playing around in like a separated video, and this is how it's presenting. We've got a very nice item, our burn gel. This is something that you can find on like a military first aid kits. So it is like a gel soak piece of material that you can put directly on the burn skin. Very good, very expensive. So you are usually not going to be finding that type of items on those cheap first aid kits. So very good. This pair of shears we were already testing on my other video. I was trying to cut like a socks or pants, and they were working great. So I highly recommend you to check it out. And here we've got the elastic bandage, so you can use it to attach like different ones. Let me put back everything, just like that. And here we've got our last compartment for like a very minor, tiny things. As you can see, we've got a very nice band-aid. And here we've got like a larger one. And here you've got like a saline soak pads, so they are absolutely not create any pain. You can use them for cleaning your wound, and they are great. I use them very often. As you can see, this set is very nicely populated because we've got something for treating a large wounds with a lot of bleeding that might require applying force. We've got something for medium one or smaller, like on your finger. We've got for treating our burns. We've got for regular cuts. We've got our CPR mask. And we've got things for protecting ourselves as the first responder. So if you are not looking strictly for like a shooting first aid kit, this is a really good choice. And that's because in that form factor, as I'm telling you, it's fitting perfectly onto your backpack. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.